Hello Minters, it's Kristen with a couple foodie projects to whet your 3D pen appetite. To get started, download our free template and trace the popsicle form with white filament. Follow the template guide for the stripes, leaving the center sections open. Flip the popsicle sides over, lay toothpicks over the holes, and draw over them in the corresponding stripe colors. Then remove the toothpicks. Draw the popsicle stick with the PLA wood filament and attach to the bottom popsicle piece. Attach the bottom piece to the popsicle sides, then fill in the sides with the corresponding stripe color. Cheers for the red, white, and blue! For the cherry pie, layer wood filament over the curves of the pie crust template. Apply clear tape over the lattice template and carefully draw the top crust, going over and under with the weave. To get a more realistic look, layer blue ABS filament under the translucent red PETG filament for the cherry pie filling. For added dimension, coil the PETG red filament for cherries in the filling. Attach the filling sides to the top crust, being sure to cover any blue filament. Draw the back piece of pie crust and attach. Last, draw a thin line of wood filament on the sides for the bottom crust. Wait! Pie is not complete without a dollop of whipped cream. Position the smaller circle angled onto the larger circle and connect. Draw the pen up to create a pointed tip above the smaller circle. Fill in with strokes that spiral around the creamy peak. Now that's a project your friends and family will drool over.